Welcome to Graph Tutorials. I'm Shiva, and in this tutorial I'm going to show you how you can bend a line without the pen tool. So as you can see, I have a line here, connection of two anchor points, and you can play around with the stroke, with the thickness. It's all adjustable. But say you want to create a bend in this line and you don't want to use your pen tool. You still have to go to the pen tool, but you keep clicking that one, and then you have the option to select an anchor point tool. And you can edit anchor points if you put your anchor point tool on top of the anchor point, but if you just slide it along your line, then you see you get this bended icon, something, and then you can start unbending your line. Now, if you just do it like this, it goes either which way. If you hold your shift key, it keeps the distance between your anchor points, so it's more evenly spaced as it was before. But if you don't do that, you can just play around with this. And it's not just one time you can do this. I've now bended it to the left. If I go a bit further on top of my line, I can also start to bend it here, and then it plays around, and you can make all sorts of bended actions with your line. So that's a really quick and easy way to bend your lines without using your pen tool. Let me know in the comments below if you liked this video. Be sure to press that thumbs up button if you did, and maybe if you want to see my future videos, also press the subscribe button. But for now, stay creative, and I hope to see you in the next one.